We are here gathered to understand the dynamics of booming terminology of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and neural network. It's a pleasure to welcome you all to this exciting and insightful webinar on data science, artificial intelligence, and neural networks. In today's session, we will be exploring one of the most dynamic and rapidly evolving fields in technology, that is reshaping Yeah, sure. I will share. That is reshaping industry worldwide, data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Whether you are a professional looking to sharpen your skills, a student eager to learn, or simply someone curious about the power of data, you are in the right place. Today's webinar is designed to offer you deep insights and practical knowledge to thrive in this data-driven world. Now, GYPR Private Limited has launched services for staffing. Hence, we are delivering data science, machine learning, neural networking, job-oriented course to facilitate the placement. Before we begin, let me introduce our esteemed speaker, industry mentor, and trainer for today's session, Dr. Deepika Sharma. Dr. Deepika Sharma is an accomplished academic and corporate professional with more than 16 years of experience in both fields. She holds a PhD in computer science and has a profound passion for machine learning, artificial intelligence, and cloud computing. Dr. Sharma has trained professionals from industry giants such as TCS, Accenture, HCL, Capgemini, Cognizant, EXL Service, Adobe System, Aditya Birla Group, British Telecom, Larsen and Toubro, and many more. Her experience spans across training corporate professionals and university students in both traditional classroom and virtual settings. In addition to her work as a corporate trainer and independent consultant, Dr. Sharma actively provide guidance to researchers and scholars pursuing their PhDs. Her work has been published in various international journals, and she has contributed research chapters in renowned international books such as IGI Global Research Anthology. Dr. Sharma's current research focuses on cutting edge technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud computing, and quantum computing, ensuring that you will be learning from someone who is truly at the forefront of innovation. It is an immense pleasure for us that Dr. Deepika has been selected for EduTech Leadership Award for her innovative teaching practice by Asia Pacific HRM Congress. This award has been selected for her profound teaching in APAC region, that is Asia Pacific region. If you are seeking training under Dr. Deepika, you will be getting a fruitful knowledge. Dr. Sharma will lead us through an in-depth exploration of today's topic, and by the end of this session, you will have much stronger grasp on how to leverage data science to solve real-world problems. Without further delay, please join me in welcoming Dr. Deepika Sharma.
Hello, everybody. Very good morning, good evening as well. So today we are here gathered for basically to understand the dynamics of data science, machine learning, and neural networks. So right now, I'm going to explain you entire that how the industries are using data science, machine learning, and neural networks into their products. And later on, I'll be showing you that which particular softwares which we are using for the data science and machine learning here. So let's move ahead. So right now, the term is booming across the world, and that is the artificial intelligence. So this term is just booming across the world. Okay. So this particular terminology is booming across the world. But the point is here that what is this artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is basically an umbrella term. It is just an umbrella term, right? So just by using a term, can we do the AI? See, basically, if I want to do the AI, we need certain tools and technologies. And those tools and technologies are data science, machine learning, and deep learning. Got the point here? So data science, machine learning, and neural networks, these are the software tools and technology that we need to learn here. Okay. So let's move ahead for the data science revolution. What is this data science revolution going on? Just a moment here. So data science revolution is going on across the world. So first of all, let's understand what is this data science revolution. Okay. So basically, data science is basically an interdisciplinary field about scientific methods, processes, techniques, and systems to extract knowledge or insights of the structured and unstructured data. So for this, let's understand what is this structured data. Basically, when we talk about the structured data, so you should know that all the data which are into the form of table-like structure, which the data which is having a rows and column, those data are basically structured data. Maybe you had seen the data which is present into the Excel sheet. They are presently given into the form of rows and column. So these data are basically structured data. So we take structured data as well as if I talk about the unstructured data, it means the data which are into the form of no table-like structure, such as if I'm fetching out the data from social media, such like you can say Twitter, I'm fetching out the data, or Facebook, from there I'm fetching out the data. So these type of data, we are fetching it out into the form of no table format. From social media, we are fetching out the data. So these data are basically unstructured data. So we take both of the data, structured data and unstructured data. Okay. So we take all the data and start finding it out, the insights of the data, right? So basically, if I talk about data science, Data science is basically a new emerging field, and it is very wide field actually, right? So when we do the data science here, we are doing science on this data. The data are unstructured data and unstructured data, right? So basically, this science of data study using various statistic model, algorithm, that is used by companies and industries to gain the insights of the data and to predict the future. So that's why the data science is being used. So basically, data science is more reliable and focused theme used by the industry that predict the answer of any upcoming event, basically. So here, datas are basically, if I talk about, datas are basically fuel. Datas are basically fuel of this industries now. Okay, they are being used as an oil to the industry right now. If I go ahead with the data science, you should know the data science, machine learning, and neural networks are present across the world. They are present into the social media. They are present everywhere into your WhatsApp, Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, Insta, YouTube, anywhere if I want to talk, everywhere the data science is present here. So let's see how they are present here. Basically, like suppose you are having a Twitter account or you are having a Meta account or Facebook account, you can say. You should know one thing, that whenever you are putting any tweet or any comment into the Facebook or Twitter, any of the social media platform you can take, those comments or those tweets are being analyzed. For an example, I'm taking, suppose there is any product, some product is coming on your Twitter and you like that product. So simply you will make certain, you can make certain tweets there, such as, I like this tweet. This tweet is, I like this product. This product is great. This product is beautiful. Okay, there is a worth for this product for using it. So basically, you are making the comments, you are making certain sentiment comments for that particular product. In a similar way, suppose you do not like the product. So you can come in there just like, you do not like, I hate the product, or I'm not no more interested into the product. What are all these? It means you are having a negative sentiment for that particular product. So what companies does, they fetch out all the tweets from social media, Twitter, WhatsApp, or you can say Facebook. And those tweets are being analyzed with the help of data science, machine learning, and neural network, means artificial intelligence. With the help of artificial intelligence, we fetch out the data, we start analyzing the data and find out the sentiment analysis with this data. And from this sentiment analysis, one can understand the company's representative can understand that there is a negative sentiment going on with the product or positive sentiment going on with the product. So basically, we do use this entire product for basically just to do sentiment analysis here. Okay. Now let's see another. This is one case I'm talking about. Now you have heard about so many other products, and on daily basis you are using that. Such like, suppose you're using a Google Translate, or you had used Alexa, or you had used Apple Siri, Cortana, Chatbot, or Grammarly. The major one is a Grammarly. You should know that Grammarly is entirely working behind AI. Basically, artificial intelligence is 100% pour inside the Grammarly. Let's see how. If you see, suppose here, now my audience here, you have to interact me. Okay, I'm going to ask you certain questions and you have to either chat me. You can just write, yes, you had noticed this point here. You can write it in the chat so that we can make our event fruitful and interactive. Okay, two-way interactions we can do now. Basically, you should notice one thing. Suppose you are having any Gmail, right? So in your email, first of all, you should know artificial intelligence is present. How? Suppose you are having a Gmail account or any other account, email related account. Whenever you start writing any textual data in your email, automatically certain words starts coming, right? Though those words or sentences you had not written, but who is writing your words? And those words which are being predicted, they are the correct word that which you want to say into your email. So have you noticed this point? Yes, students, please, you can just write chat inside the chat. You had noticed it. And if you had not noticed this point, so you should notice into the future. Even after this webinar also, you can just open your email, Gmail you can open and start writing an email. Automatically the word starts appearing. So you should know that there is a presence of data science, machine learning, neural networks. It means AI is present inside your emailing system as well. Okay, so this is basically a Google Compose feature presents into your emails here. So dear students, you can tell me that have you noticed it? At least you can tell me yes or no something. Come into the chat section. At least you should interact with me. Now you can tell so that I can know that you are noticing this feature in your Gmail or email. Into your chat section, you can write. Okay, fine. Okay, so one of my colleagues is sitting. Gurdeep, just to tell me, have you noticed this point? You can just even come onto the mic. You can tell that you have noticed this point in your emailing system that automatically word starts coming. And
Yes, ma'am.
so you had noticed it. So that's very
Yes, ma'am.
nice. Thank you for your answer. So basically, this is a feature of artificial intelligence present in your emailing system. So this is basically NLP. We call it a natural language processing, which is present in your this emailing system. Okay, technical name is basically Google Compose here. If I talk about here other social media, just like you can have Amazon, whenever you are surfing any Amazon product, automatically recommendation starts coming for the similar product. That is helping and assisting you to select a particular product which are having a similar feature. Similarly, if you talk about, suppose on Amazon, you are searching for a particular book. So similar book starts coming. Who is favoring you to select a similar kind of stuff for the book? Again, artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning is working you to give the similar style of books which you want to study. If you want to select a particular dress on any Flipkart, Amazon, anywhere I'm talking about. So they all have similar kind of dresses coming in front of you. So what is that? So basically, artificial intelligence, data science is helping you to select the particular dress. Okay. So basically, the icons which are coming just to select a similar kind of dresses which are coming. So they are happening with the presence of artificial intelligence, data science, and machine learning into their product. Similarly, if you have noticed in your YouTube, again, artificial intelligence is present. How? You had selected a particular movie, you had written a topic, a movie, a song, a video, or any studying topic you want to study, write it on your YouTube. Automatically, similar video starts appearing on the side hand. So what is that? That itself is a data science, machine learning, and neural networks, which are coming in front of you and assisting you to find the similar topic, movie, song, or any other your favorite content which you are looking here. So it means the presence of data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence is everywhere in the world of social media. Now let's talk about here. Certain online video streaming applications are going on across the world, just like you love to watch Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar. So do you know that here AI is present, data science is present, machine learning is present. So I want to know from my audience, like which particular platform is present there. You can come into the chat, you can write there, that's ma'am, this particular platform we are using. Even ma'am, you can write it here that which particular platform you're using. Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar, and there are so many, ZTV and so many across the world. So which particular platform you're using it here? Students, those who are attending, do please respond me. You write your answer, which particular platform you're using here. Wait here. So you are using, Diksha, you are using a Netflix and Amazon, Netflix you are using. That's very nice. Thank you for your responses. So here you should know any of the online video streaming applications you are using. So basically, they are having all the features of data science and artificial intelligence. Now you can think it that what is the use of it, what they are actually doing it here. So you should know all the activities which you are doing on the Netflix or Amazon Prime or any online video streaming app that is being captured in the backend by the data science and machine learning. All the activities, even whenever you are rotating your mouse also. So here your mouse activities are also being traced into the platform here. Got the point here? Means your selections. So basically you can see here, streaming application that attracts viewer based onto their personalized interest basically. So what they do, this application captures the data of users' activities and accordingly they will be gush video suggestions. So they are monitoring you. How they're monitoring you? You should think that the day and time of watching content, it means you should know that or at what day and what time, what sort of content you are watching, what type of content you prefer to watch. Okay, means which type of uh, movie genre you want to watch, which type of serials, your web series you are watching, what type of content you are preferring. Here, how many times you pause, rewind, or fast forward your activities. What are your browsing patterns? It means each and every activities are being noticed and being captured with the help of data science and machine learning. And accordingly, these online video streaming, any Netflix or Amazon Prime or any third application, they are giving you video suggestions. Accordingly, you are receiving the movie suggestions, video suggestions, or the web series suggestions as per your choices traced from here by a browsing pattern and what you are doing actually by watching out the video streaming here. What type of trailers you are watching it out. Okay. So before watching any movie. So based on all this trend, machine learning frameworks and application, businesses are able to engage their audience by providing quality streaming video. So what is completely known as, this is basically a targeted marketing. Targeted marketing means here that, see, here in Netflix and Amazon Prime, you are you are given the food which you are liking. Okay, so AI is giving you the content which you are liking. So you need not to surf. Everything is present in front of you. You choose your pick your movie, your web series, and start watching it out. So AI is assisting in the back end here. Similarly, if I talk about the social media, other platforms here, just like blogging site, social networking site, content sharing site, products and services review sites here, or you can say just like WhatsApp, Skype, Telegram, Snapshot, Airbnb, means everywhere I'm talking about the presence of data science and machine learning is here. Okay. If I talk about the travel industry, okay, travel industry, just like any of the world travel industry, I can talk. Make My Trip, Expedia, Agoda, Booking.com, Airbnb, SOTC, and so many travel websites are there. They are using data science and machine learning. Whenever you are booking your flight, the flight rates which are coming, they are again the predictive analytics. These are done with the help of machine learning here. So these companies use predictive analytics to create personalized recommendations for the product development, smart pricing, they are doing it here. And with this, they are doing the effective marketing for their products. If I take certain more examples, you should be aware that data science and machine learning is present in financial services and the bankings also. Here, just to capture the fraud detection, money laundering, taxing, GST taxing, everywhere the data science is present here. Okay, even suppose you are going to bank and you want to have a loan. So whether to deliver the loan or not, again, the response will come from the help of data science, machine learning, and neural network. The point is, everywhere the data science AI is present. None of the, any of the point or any of the industry, if I talk about, they are left out with the integration of data science and machine learning. This is not there. Everywhere there's a presence of data science, machine learning, and the neural network is there. Okay. Here, if I talk about, so there I had talked about the social media, I had talked about the banking industries. Now let me talk about the healthcare industry. You should be aware that in healthcare industry, heavily the data science, machine learning, and neural networks are being integrated for the detection of the kidney diseases, the detection of whether the person is suffering from the diabetes or detecting cancer also. Here, entirely with the help of artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning, these things are detected easily now. Though earlier, if I talk about at that time, it's not so easy to detect whether the person is having a cancer, diabetes, or any other disease here. Robotic assisted cardiac surgery is very common phenomenon nowadays. Robotic assisted knee transplantation is it is heavily used in India if I talk about across the world. Okay, because robots help to do precision surgery. Even with the help of robotic surgery, if doctor is sitting in US and he wants to perform a surgery in UK or in India, that is possible and that is happening nowadays. So it's so easy to do all the integration of robotics, artificial intelligence, data science in healthcare industry. So that is rapidly evolving now. Now let's go to certain food industries also. In India, there's a very high popularity of Zomato or Swiggy. Such type of certain industries are upcoming. So they also use heavily the data science into their products. Okay. So you should know, you can think it out that how it is possible, how to use the data science in Zomato or Swiggy. Actually, whenever you are booking any particular food of your choice, so you should be knowing that predicting like food preparation time, if that is giving 25 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, that food prediction time is provided by the data science and machine learning. Okay. In meteorological department across the world, what is going to be happen, what kind of weather is going to be happen, whether it's a sunny, storm, floods, or any other thing. So again, the data science is helping those in this meteorological department to predict the upcoming temperature, upcoming weather also. So weather predictions is heavily done by them. So here, in this way, just by prediction of the weather, it is very much helpful for the aviation industry, agricultural industry, farming industries, construction, consumer good or sporting events. They can think it what to move ahead, that what could be the weather in after a certain time, within a 1 day or a 2 day or within a week. And this data science is helping these industries also with, okay, just by predicting the future. So basically here we are keep on predicting the future with the integration of data science and machine learning. If I keep on talking about here, just like, there are so many examples here for the use of data science and machine learning application, just like it is being heavily used into the drones, manufacturing industry, self-driving cars is again the data science is there, machine learning is there. In military surveillance devices also, the integration of the data science is there. In forest activities, stock market signals, whether the stock market signals will go up, down, and what will be there in future predictions, again, the data science is there. Into the entertainment industries also, the data science presence is heavily there. So everywhere, if I keep on talking here, the data science is everywhere. None of the industries are left with the integration of data science. Okay, you should be knowing that in airports, in railways also, heavily the integration of the data science is present here. You should be knowing as soon as you are coming out of airport, so there, computer vision is present. Screens are present, which are capturing all the faces of the people who are coming out of the airport. Okay. So okay. And with the help of that, one is detecting the departments are detecting there that whether the coming person is any criminal, is having any criminal history, or the person should be banned to enter into the country as well. So they are capturing the images of those people. Who is doing it? Capturing of the images done by computer vision. That itself is a data science, machine learning, and data science, machine learning, and neural network is working behind it. From there, one is capturing the person is illegal or the person is banned to enter into the country, or criminal activities this person is having. All the records are being traced, and those the departments, security department, they easily capture that person. Same into the railways also, it is being integrated now. And slowly, just to avoid any future accidents also into the railway industries I'm talking about, that is like industries are working, railway industry is working for this one. Not only this, everywhere if I want to talk about it, means here, everywhere, in each and every industry verticals, the data science presence is there. Artificial intelligence presence is there. So we cannot say that this field is some separate field. Okay, so data science is becoming a necessity of today and tomorrow world. If anybody does not have a knowledge of data science and machine learning, soon they will be out from the industries because this is a heavy necessity becoming now. So now, a lot of things I had discussed about that how the industry verticals are using this data science. Now let's talk about here which particular language we are going to use to do the data science basically. You should know, see, whenever we are doing the data science, of course, there are certain tools and technology we need to do. So basically the popular language is Python here. This is the world most dominating language to use the Python, right? There are certain other languages also, but I will prefer Python, not only me, entire world, entire industry who are working into the data science. Why Python here? Because Python has designed beautifully, because actually you should know that with the help of Python, I can do the data science work as well as I can do the web development also. So it means Python has nearby 8, means here Python has uh, uh, several packages and libraries which will be helping me to do my work in data science. So entirely work is done in Python right now here. Now let's take that what are the tools which we are requiring to do the data science, machine learning, and neural network on my PC. So that one is basically Anaconda. You should be aware. Anaconda is a framework which I'm going to use it. Entire industries are using it. Anaconda is having 8,000 packages of data science which we need to work in data science here. This is freely available too. No license is required. So entire industries are using an Anaconda. Inside the Anaconda, we are having a Jupyter notebook. So let me show you the environment of the Jupyter notebook, how it looks like. Once you are enrolled, so we'll be telling you how to install the Anaconda, how to see the environment of Jupyter notebook. You see, I had initialized the Jupyter notebook that has already been initialized on my default browser. So, wait, just wait, let me show you this one. This is the Jupyter notebook. You can see the icon. Wait, it is loading here. Yeah. You can see this is Jupyter notebook. This is the icon here. So once we are installed with Anaconda, then we are going to open the Jupyter notebook. These are the various Jupyter notebooks you can see here. These all are various Jupyter notebooks, which I had created earlier, long time back. And here, if I want to open a fresh Jupyter notebook, so from here, I will be opening it. You can see here, I'm clicking on new, click on Python 3 kernel here. So here, if I click it here, this one is my fresh Jupyter notebook. So this is the environment, basically where I'm going to work with a Python programming language. So basically, you should know the Jupyter notebook is a workspace where I can work for Python commands. You can see there are several menus present here into the Jupyter notebook here. And this particular workspace, you can see, this is a place where I can write my Python command. So the point is here, just a see here. So point is here, this is basically, I'm talking about that this is a Jupyter notebook, first of all. This is a workspace I'm talking about, okay? And this place, this line you are looking at here, particularly, this is input line where I'm going to write the Python. So Jupyter notebook plus Python. Python is a programming language, which I'm going to use it. And Jupyter notebook is basically workspace where I can write the where I can write the Python commands here. Just wait here. Okay. So now what I'll do, I'll show you like how to write the commands in this Jupyter notebook. So I'll be taking very ABC steps, very simple steps to write the commands, and I'll be showing you how to execute the basic commands here. Suppose here, first of all, you should know that whenever I'm writing any commands into the Jupyter notebook, I can write the coding as well as I can write the theories also. It's as the name given here, it's a notebook. So I can write the word-like statement as well as coding. So combination of word-like, MS Word-like structure and coding also we can do it here. So I can write here. Just wait. Welcome to Python world here. So here, this is a heading. Suppose here I'm making it a heading. So click on heading. Heading will be the bold one, you know. Click here on run button. So once I'm writing anything onto this line, so click on run button. Basically, select what type of statement I'm writing. Heading is the bold one. Now, default is a code here. Code means Python code. So if I'm clicking here, automatically code is coming. So here I can write a Python code. And every time I need to click here on run button you have to trace. Okay, every time you have to trace your run button. So here what you will do, suppose here I'm writing, wait, let's enjoy basic Python command. Okay. This is not a heading, this is a markdown. So let me tell you, markdown is basically subheading. It is a subheading. So click on markdown, click on run button. In this way, now here I'm writing the actual Python commands. So to write the actual Python commands, here, let me take some basic operators. You should know, everybody know, plus, minus, multiply, divide. These are basic operators here, mathematical operator. So let me use these operators here very, very easily. So here I'm taking basic steps here, just like one. Let me make it a zoom here. Zoom. 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is click on run. 2. 2 minus 1. I'm using a minus operator. Here I use a plus operator. Here I'm using a minus operator. Click on run. So you know 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So where I'm writing here, suppose I'm writing 3 multiply by 2. I'm using a multiplication operator. This itself is a mathematical operator. 3 multiply by 2. Click on run. So here I'm writing the command on this code cell. This is a code cell. Just a moment. This is a code cell where I'm writing my commands. And once I'm writing the commands here in Python, every time I need to click this run button. And automatically this is a code cell here. Okay, done. Now, here, suppose I'm writing 12 divided by 4. Let's say 4. Click on run button here. So it is 3. Now you can see from here I had started. So for those students who have joined right now, let me tell you, today we are talking about the data science, machine learning, and the neural networks here, right? And here I'm just showing you that which particular softwares I need to use during the work of data science and machine learning. That is specifically Anaconda framework. Once we install the Anaconda framework, this is freely available on Google. Once we install the Anaconda, then we open the Jupyter notebook. Once you join my classes, I'll tell you from where you are going to fetch out the Anaconda for Windows, Anaconda for Mac, Anaconda for basically Linux environment. Any of the platform operating system do you have? So accordingly, we are having the versions. Once we are installed with the Anaconda, we need to open the Jupyter notebook. This is a workspace Jupyter notebook where we are going to write the commands in Python language for the data science machine learning. So I just started it here. Welcome to Python world here. These are heading, subheading, and these are the actual Python code here. I'm writing the simplest Python code here. Now suppose here I had used mathematical operator, multiply, plus. So one can easily use that. Now let me introduce here variables. There is a term variables. So if I want to write a variable word here, how I'm going to write here? Working with variables. So here, click on Markdown, click on Run. So what is a variable actually? Variables are basically a container, just like you are having a glass. So what does a glass do? Inside the glass, I can pour a water. Water is a content here. So glass is a container, glass is a container, and water is a content. So here, variable is a container. Variable is having a container-like structure where we can pour some data. So suppose A is a variable, and here I want to pour some data such like 10. So 10 is my content. So A is equal to 10. So basically A is a variable. It is acting like a container where I'm giving a content of value of 10 here. So this is a A here. A is equal to 10. You can write it easily. Click on Run. Let's see the value of A. Click on Run. So you are looking here how easily I'm doing it. Similarly, I can make the another variable just like B. B is equal to, suppose, let me take any figure here, 6. Randomly, I'm taking it here. Click on Run. Then you see the value of B. It is 6 here. So 4 steps I did it. Now I want to integrate this mathematical operator plus, minus, multiply, and divide here. So here I'm writing A plus B. So integrating the variable as well as mathematical operator, it is 16. A minus B. So click here. It is 4. It is fetching out the value from A. So now it is a question from my students and audience. You can tell me if this is the figure and I'm writing here A multiply B. You have to answer now. If I write here A multiply B, what will be the answer? Just to chase out this figure, and give me quickly your answer. Give me your answer, please. I'm waiting for your answer. Please come into the chat section. There is a chat section provided there. Very good. Everybody must answer. I'm waiting for an answer. Very good. There's so many audience here. Keep on answering. Make this class interactive. There are so many audience here. Keep on answering. Wait. Bushra, please give your answer. Rahman, I need your answer, please. Come up with your answers. What will be, if you're writing here A multiplied by B, and I'm showing you the values of A is coming from here 10, multiply by B. B is this one, 6. You think it out, right? It's so easy. I'm helping you. Yeah, Diksha, we are going to take all the questions. Everything we are going to take. Okay. Just to wait here. Let me do my work and then I'll be coming all of your questions. Okay. All the things we are going to trace you. So here, this one is there. So A multiplied by B, this is there. You can write here A divided by B also. So I'm using variable and mathematical operator. I'll tell you later on how to handle these decimal values also. Okay. Into the classes. Now, what I can do one more thing here. I can write A plus B. This value I can hold into the third variable also. So C is a variable, third variable where I can hold my calculated value here. So C is equal to A plus B. So click here and see the value of C here. So C is 16 here. A plus B is 16. In a similar way, D is equal to A minus B. So D here and see the values of D here. So in this way, you can see you can hold the entire calculation into the third variable also in this way. Now, suppose here, there is a print command inside the Python here. So suppose that I'm writing hello Python. Suppose that I'm writing, click on run button here. I can write the print command in this way, print learn word. I'm writing it here. I'm clicking it here. Basically, you should know that whenever we are writing a Python commands, so single quote also I can use it for any textual data. These are textual data. And even I can use the double quotes as well. So both are preferable in the world of Python here. Both we can do it here. Okay. Easily we can do it here. Now here, there is a basically length command here. Okay. This is a function present inside the Python. Length command will start writing here that will calculate the number of words, that will just find out the length of the words here. So suppose here, just to count here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many total length of ABCD is? Just wait. Very good. So here I'm clicking on run button. It's 4. Now it's a time for quiz. So what we'll be doing here? Suppose I'll ask you, what is the length of London? Can you tell me if I click on run button, what will be the answer? Everybody come with the answer. Please come up with the answer, Rahman, Diksha. So please come up with your answers. Keep on calculating your answers here. Others, there's so many students here. Please do me answer. Just wait here. Bushra, what will be the answer? Can you tell me? What will the answer? You calculate it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 will be the answer here. Click here, click on run button. In a similar way, if I write here, you need to tell me. Suppose I'm writing. Can you tell me what will be the answer? Just to calculate the total number of characters here. Give me your answer, so that at least I can know that you are understanding something here. You will be going as a learner person after this webinar. What will be the number of total number of characters here? Okay, yeah. So calculation, your calculation is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. That's very nice here. Thank you for your responses here. Okay, so now I'll give you one word here. You need to calculate. Suppose here, that's nice. 7, who has responded 7? That is good. Suppose here, see, if I'm writing here, city is one of the variable. And here I'm putting the city here, any. Any city here I can write it, such as Sydney. Okay, click here. If I want to see the city value, it is Sydney. Okay. Now I'm writing here length of city. This is a quiz for you. You tell me what will be the answer here. Give me your answer here with length of city here. What will be the answer if I click it here? Very good, Bushra. Okay, good. What is the, at least you guess now, because let's make the class interactive, because I should know that really you are learning something now. I need your answer. Keep giving, okay, let me test your answer. But it is 4. You had said me it is 6. Actually, now, let me tell you what has happened here. It is counting length of city now. It is coming in these quote. Whenever we are writing anything in quote, now that becomes a string values. So if I'm writing here city, so for Python, it is just like a character, normal character. And because I had written this one means here, I had written this city in this quotes here. So what has happened? These are normal character 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's why it is giving 4. Now you can have you can ask me, ma'am, it should be 6. So let me tell you, now your answer will be there. Now you find out your answer. Can you guess what will be the answer here? Again, come and guess what will be the answer here. And you see these all 4, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Check it out all, and now you calculate what will be the length. Think it at least. You should know the tricks, how I'm using here. Oh, more answers I need. More answers I need. Can you guess what will be the length of city here? 6, 4, some answers are coming. Okay. Actually, na, here, I had not used quote. Here I'm using a quote now, but here you see carefully, I had not used a quote. So if I calculate it now, what will happen? If I'm clicking here run, it is 6. You know what is happening actually? Those who has responded 6 now, they are correct. Very good. So actually now 6 is coming. This is a variable. This is a variable. This variable. I had called the variable. So as soon as I click it here, This will move into the variables and the value of the Sydney is coming here. So Sydney calculation is moving here. So this is a trick here. I'm using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 characters present here. So 6, it is saying the length of the city is 6. And here the length of the city is 4. Reason here it is not finding it out variable. This city is not a variable. This is a variable. So directly it is finding it out this city and these characters. So 6 answer is there. But here these are normal static value 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 answer is there. So in this we need to find out the variable values as well here. Yeah, it's 6 exactly. Correct answer. Thank you for the responses here. Now here, suppose I'm taking certain more example of the variables here. Suppose I want to calculate here area of rectangle. Okay, mark down. So for that area of rectangle, I need 2 variables such as length and breadth. So here I'm taking randomly length as 400 and breadth is equal to, let's say, 62. Any randomly breadth here I'm taking and I want to find out the area. So area is equal to length into breadth. So what I'm doing, I'm using the variables which I taught you about A, B, C, D. So here I'm taking the direct variables just to write any functions here. So it's breadth here. And here, if I want to see area, I can write it in this way. This is the area calculated. 400 into 62. Or if I want to write the same thing here with a print command, I can use the print command here so that I can just see here, wait. Area, and this way also I can write it here. This way. And if I want to write it the same here, a little bit more lucrative, what I can do, I can use this area of, these are static commands, I'm using it here, of rectangle is equal to here, comma. So this value, I'm making it as static here. See how? This data na, up to here, this, I'm writing any data in the single quote, this is a static value. But this is a dynamic value. Dynamic value means changed value. It means this area is fetching it out here. So 2400 value, calculated value is coming it here. Static value, dynamic value. This keeps on changing. You think it out. Suppose I want to change it here. Suppose instead of 62, I'm writing it here 3. So the values will be changing. So answer is 1200. If I'm changing this one as 200, so if I'm clicking it here, 600, the answer is there. So basically, by changing the variable value, area is being calculated differently with the different values. So you can see this is a static mode. This is a dynamic mode. Dynamic mode means which keeps on changing as per the value we are providing it here. Okay. And now this very fundamental, I had taken it here for Python here. Slowly, we are going to proceed with a lot of commands. There are thousands of commands are here in the world of Python, and slowly we are moving into the data science, machine learning by using several libraries here, just like import NumPy here I'm calling. So this here I'm calling import pandas. So once you are sitting with me during the classes, I'll be telling you what are this NumPy and pandas is a very important library which are going to be used for actually your machine learning. We can say it here. So here we are going to work here with a lot of live case studies, real-time case studies, industrial works. We are going to do it here. So here, just I'm randomly showing it. I'll be telling you what are all these currently. I'm loading some data here. You can see it here. I'm loading some data here. I just loaded some data with the help of basic commands. These are very simple commands. So these you are going to learn what are these NumPy, pandas, read CSV map, what are all these here. So we are going to take it here. I'll be making the data analysis here. Okay, which are going to show you top 5 rows into the your data set. This itself is a data set. These are the data set. We'll be providing you a lot of data sets. Okay, GitHubs we are going to provide you from where you are going to fetch out the data sets, which are going to be evaluated here. Just like I'm using tf.head command here, data frame. These here, actually, I'm making a data frame that is related with the pandas library here. So that I'm going to do it here during the sessions here. These are all things you are going to learn. So here the head command in a simple way, and what I did it here. Pandas is very important library in the world of data science here. And here I'm loading a particular data set, which is already available into my Jupyter notebook here. I'm loading the data set. I'm making the evaluation of the data set. This is a basically data set which is having the columns just like serial number, age, city, country, salary, and all these. So huge data sets we are going to work in future. df.head command is basically related. I want to see the top 5 rows. df.tail command will tell us I want to see the bottom 5 rows. df, if I'm writing here, df.sample. So this is showing you randomly single sample. If I want to write here 3 samples, I want to see 3 means 3 rows. Randomly show me 3 rows here. This is showing some syntax error. Let's refine it. And it is showing you 3 rows here. Basically, what I'm doing, I'm making a data analysis, which are very important concept in data science here. So slowly, we are going to use thousands of means here I say commands, so many libraries, so many packages to move ahead with the data science, machine learning here. So means it's a very fruitful field if I talk about. Whomsoever is coming into the course, they will be 100% benefited with entire course. We are going to work on the real-time case studies, entire healthcare industries. If I talk about civil engineering, bankings, financial statements, temperature-related data sets, means real time we are going to work it here. And you will be really knowing that how to work into these industries. And you will be equipped once you are completing with the course with me. So you will be equipped. You will be confident that how really we can step into the industry of any automation industry, robotics industries, data science industries. And now, basically, you should know that data science is a necessity. It is just not an option. You cannot leave that, okay, I don't do this. No, it is a necessity. Just like you eat your food, you are fueling your health, you are fueling your stomach with the food. Data science, AI is same. It is a food to the industry. No one can live without it. You cannot cite it in any case. You must be having a knowledge to make and retain your future so that you can earn. Otherwise, everything, if one person is not having a knowledge of data science, they will be kept apart from the industries. So this is a basic requirement here. So this is all over the webinar here. So I'll talk my colleague here, Gurdeep ma'am is there. She is going to convey you the rest of the queries and rest of the highlights of the course here. So I'll ask Gurdeep ma'am here that she can come and she can convey you other important aspects for the course here. Before that, let me give you some students here. If you are having any technical questions, so I will be giving all the answers for those technical questions. Okay, so Gurdeep ma'am is there. Please, you can come, ma'am. In the meantime, let me tell you, we are going to use Anaconda software. We are going to use Anaconda software. Okay, and Python programming language we are going to use. Python programming language. Okay, and Jupyter Notebook here, you are going to use it here. Please, yeah. Just wait.
Thank you so much, Deepika ma'am, for enlightening and thoughtful session on data science and AI. I'm sure everyone here has gained valuable insights and valuable insights from your expertise. Now we would learn, now we would love to hear from you, our audience. This is your chance to ask any question you might have regarding today's session. Feel free to drop your question in the chat box if you would like to interact directly. We want to make sure you leave this webinar with clarity and confidence in this subject. And please be patient. I will be answering your questions one by one. So in the meanwhile, I want to discuss the key highlights of this course. So this course is having generative AI integrated curriculum. Okay, so generated AI integrated curriculum, internship program, interactive live sessions with leading industry experts, job assistance. Yes, we will be providing you internship program. We will be giving you job assistance. Now, so basically, you will be doing internship after 5 to 6 months. It's a 10-month course. We will start the course from basic of Python from first to sixth month. Yeah, it will take approx 5 to 6 months. You will be clearing your concepts at this time. Okay, once your concepts are clear, once you gain your conceptual knowledge, we start the course with basics. Once you gain your conceptual knowledge, after Python, we will go to essential tools such as SQL, statistics, basic science, data science libraries, machine learning. Okay. And after machine learning, it will take approx till machine learning, the course will take approx 6 months. After machine learning, we will give you the internship program. Internship period will start. This period is for 4 months. Okay. And here you will be doing so many things. Okay, in here you will be doing so many things. You will be doing projects, you will be doing practicals, you will be doing case studies, you will be doing approx 30 plus case studies here. MCQs will be conducted, mock interviews will be conducted, and master classes will be given by industry experts, okay, on portfolio building. So you will be learning how to make your resume by industry experts. They will be helping you out in this. Your LinkedIn profile, it will be created, it will be generated with the help of our experts. And as I have told you earlier also that we have shaken hand with the staffing services. So here our job portal is will be there. You will be uploading your skills, your resume on our job portal, and the staffing service will match accordingly, will match your skills accordingly with the profile needed. So at this time, after doing this much, and side by side, what else is going on? Side by side, you will be doing, you will be selecting after ML, you will be selecting two electives. Okay, we will be giving you 4 options, 4 to 5 options. You will be selecting any two, at least any two. You can choose as much as you can. It's up to you, but at least two you have to select. So these options are 4 unique specializations: deep learning, NLP, that is natural language processing, business analytics with Tableau, business intelligence with Power BI, big data, Hadoop, and Spark. These are the courses. Okay, so I hope uh, I hope my screen is visible to you all. Can you please answer?
Hello, ma'am. Just to please make your screen up because that is not visible here. Right now, alumni screen is there. Alumni screen, we can see it here. Just show the electives, please.
Okay. Now,
Electives, please. Electives. Yeah, please. Please pass. That's all.
okay. Now, we have these electives: deep learning, computer vision, natural language processing, business analytics with Tableau. So, those who are good in coding, they can go with deep learning, natural language processing. Okay, they can go with this. And these are self-based tutorials. Self-based tutorial means we will be uploading videos, we will be sharing videos with you, and you will do this part on your own. And side by side, our classes will be going on. One our classes will be going on, and we will be giving you practical knowledge on projects, and case studies will be going on, master classes will be given to you. So after doing this much, you will be well equipped. Okay, you will be well equipped when you enter some company after doing this much. Actually, after doing this course, you are no more a fresher. Now you are an experienced person. Okay, after doing this much, you are an experienced person now. So when you enter a company, you entered as an experienced learned person. Okay, so your resume will be picked very easily, and we will be guiding you in this. We will be assisting you. Okay, and if I talk about the company after doing this course, if I talk about the company, I'm not talking about a big company. If you start with a small company, then also your package will start from at least $50,000 per annum to $60,000 per annum. Okay, it will start from here, and you can go up to $2 lakh also. So you can check, go to Glassdoor and search data scientist salary there. You will able to know. So this is all I want to discuss with you. If you have any other doubt, I will share this brochure, which you can see on your screen. I will share this brochure after this session with you. So on your individual phone numbers, and please do check out all the content and do respond. I will ping you. Most probably, we will start our session on 20 or 21st September. Do enroll. And one the most important thing I want to discuss, it's a golden opportunity. This course is free of cost. It is absolutely free for our existing students. Okay, it's a 10-month course. You are learning so much in this course. We are trying to give you as much as we can.
Ma'am,
Okay,
also show them, please, job roles. Once after
yeah,
completing the course, what will be the job roles?
yeah, these are the job roles. Okay. So these are the job roles that you will be getting: business intelligence and analytics.
Basically, wait. Basically, once after completing this course, you can apply for data scientist, because the person who completes the data science course, they will become the data scientist. They are going to do entire work, whichever you are going to do during this course, as well as internship. So data scientist, you will be, or machine learning engineer, you can have a data analyst post or data engineer post, or you could be having a business analyst post here, BI developer, business analytics manager, or AI consultant. You can play a role of consultancies also, AI deep learning engineer, research scientist, NLP engineer. There are 10 to 12 posts are related with these works actually. So basically, if I talk about the entire course, this course is 100% practically oriented basically. Right now also I did a practical in front of you. So we'll be learning theories and basically practical. I key focus on the practical every time here, because one can have a hands-on, one can do understand what actually how we are going to do the things very practically, how we are going to realize the case studies. We are going to take down the real-time data sets, real-time case study, and you should be knowing just like that how to predict cancer, how to predict diabetes, how to predict temperature, how to predict house prices. Means so many case studies during the work, we are going to do it here. So entirely this is the practical oriented only, okay? And here, if I talk about the Python here, we are going to do here Python basic to intermediate level. Let me tell you why. Because we are not doing a web development. We are moving into the data science. So here with the knowledge of basic to intermediate level is more than sufficient to handle the Python commands, because entirely we are going to use the Jupyter Notebook, and Jupyter Notebook has its data science environment, and here we need the Python knowledge. So basic to intermediate level knowledge is required. If you talk about the advanced level, that is required for the web development purposes. So here we are going to do entire real-time projects, which will be making you hands-on learner actually. So once you are doing it here, you will be coming with a fruitful knowledge, confident knowledge, and that will be helping you to step into the world of any industries with the data science and AI, which are making the products of data science and AI. So here you can sit it, and Bam has just told you after his Glass2 research that what is the median salary for the entrant is going on. That was approximately, we are talking about $50,000 to $60,000. And then once you are entered, and then you can, there's an unending salary that is moving for even $3 lakh. Also, people are taking this for the same. But the knowledge is required, and knowledge is only required once you are enrolling into the course. You are doing all the things practical oriented. We had added an internship, because once after completing the basic course from the beginning to the to machine learning part, that one is the main course one needs to handle. And after that, you are going to attend the internship class for one hour every weekends here. Side by side, you are going to learn your electives. Electives are very important to have proficiency into one of the specialization that is as per your choice. Minimum 2 specializations here we are going to provide you, so that you can boost your knowledge more and more. And if you're going to take more and more knowledge, more and more tutorials, you are going to do it, so you can add them into your resume. Finally, your resume is upgrading, your resume is upgraded, and that will help you to land into the good job. Please, any more questions if you're having, please
So,
keep on answering. Yeah.
yeah, there
And
is one
now,
question.
yes, please take all the questions, please.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much. So there is one question from Diksha. What is the cost of the course? So Diksha, it is free of cost. It is free of cost. And how to enroll? Okay. I guess you people are having our numbers. Okay, you just ping us, and we will be get back to you. I will be sharing I will be sharing the brochures with you people. So don't worry, we ourselves come to you. And does it have a real time project? Yeah, you will be working on real time projects. Okay, so as we approach the end of this session, I want to thank all of you for your participation today. A big thank you to Deepika ma'am for sharing her
Hello,
knowledge.
ma'am. Please, some
Yeah.
questions are coming. Please keep on taking the questions quickly.
Okay, two more questions. Okay, as I'm in US. Okay, can we schedule the timing accordingly? Yeah, we will schedule the time according you. Okay, please let us know the time which is your preferable time. We will be arranging your classes accordingly, and we will be letting you know our timings as well.
See, students here, basically all the classes are arranged once you are deciding it with ma'am here. And we are going to take these classes 2 hours each weekend, means here 2 hours Saturday, 2 hours Sunday. So on Saturday and Sunday, we are going to conduct these classes as per the convenience of all the professionals and students as well.
Yeah, same question from two, three students. The same timing issues. We will be arranging time according to you. We will be arranged. Don't worry. Okay, Diksha, I will share my number. After this class, I will share my number to you. Okay, don't worry.
I just answered your question for the Python to advanced. I had just told you that we are going to learn Python to intermediate level. The knowledge of the Python to intermediate level is required to work into the data science environment. Okay. So I had already responded you iPhone, please. Next. Yeah, I told you. Any other questions, please? We are waiting for the questions here. Please refer this course to your friends, peers as well. That is basically handling, means that is, however, benefiting your future. That is for sure. Once you are doing it, once you are learning all these classes, finally you will be coming with a lot of confidence that really you can work into the industries of these.
Any other doubt? If you have any other doubt, you can write here. So do enroll in the course. The more you are skilled, the more you will be demanded in the company. So keep this in mind. It's a 10-month course. You are learning so much in this course. Do enroll. So I guess no more questions. Okay, then let's end this session here. And after this session, I will be sharing the brochure and I will be waiting for your responses. We'll share the, message you also. So if you have any further questions or need more information about upcoming courses or certifications, feel free to reach to us. We will be more than happy to guide you on your learning journey. Thank you once again, and we look forward to see you in our future events. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you, dear students. Thank you very much.
Okay,
Let's meet into the class. Do enroll here. Let's meet into class. Let's learn a lot of things that will be entirely helping your future. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.